Yep. So for this n8n project will be simply creating a simple workflow. So to give you an overview, what it does, it fetches the data which we have in our Google Drive. Basically, I have given a document here. This is the document which we have. It contains information about a town which is Millfield. So whenever any updation occurs, so this particular workflow executes. So what this does is it fetches data which we have in the document, and it basically create vector embeddings for those text data which we have, and those vector embeddings are simply saved in our database. In our case, we'll be using Supabase database here, and the embeddings will be created here using the Hugging Face models, and basically these are the free models which we can use for our project. And yeah, so the tokens, after various process like tokenizing the words and all these, the various vectors will be saved in our database. And after that, like we can basically ask question and answer. Like we can basically ask a question from the data which we have, like the file which we have, and it will retrieve the vectors which were created in the like the original document, and based on the retrieve document, like the retrieve data, it will again use a Hugging Face model, and it will basically give us the solution, or you can say the answer to the question which we have. So to demonstrate like the various things, so this was our document, and we are using Supabase database here. So as we can see, as of now the database is empty. So first we'll be simply running this workflow here. What it does is it simply like it simply tokenizes each and every like that text which we have, and after tokenizing it will save those as a vector in our database. So yeah, so we have ran the model, and it should have given us some. Yeah, so these are the these are the tokens which were created, and the corresponding embeddings which were created. So based on these we can ask question and answers from this the document, and it will give us the corresponding answer. And so let's ask a few questions. So I've created a question, like few questions, like when was the town created. So if we simply ask about it, yeah, so as we can see, it was founded in 1829 when it was still a small town, and a group of settlers basically founded the town around the town square, right? And the founder was John Millfield, and yeah, this is the original answer, and these are a couple of questions and the respective answers. So these can be modified, like these can be removed depending on the model and the various tokenization. So yeah, so the original answer would be here. It was founded in 1829 by John Millfield. So let's ask another question, like how many buildings are in the town. So I think there were a total of 23 buildings there, as we can see here. So let's ask the question. Yeah. So yeah, the original answer would be like it. The historical district contained 23 buildings, including the museum and the residence of the founder. So yeah,